Hi, everybody. My name's Chris, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the cool new features that are coming out in IQ 3.7 as it pertains to the whiteboard that is in IQ. And the first feature that I want to talk to you about today is this notion of attribute locking. What is attribute locking? Well, it's this idea of being able to bring something into your board or ink in the board and then actually lock that feature down so that it can't be erased, resized, or rotated while you're using your session. And I'm going to show you a practical application of this now. So, for example, let's say we want to bring in a new template. So we'll go into our templates and we scroll through and we realize there isn't a template here that I really want. Well, the good thing with locking down attributes is that you can create your own templates. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to bring in an image, and let's say I want to bring in an image of a basketball court, which I've typed in. I'm going to bring in this image here. And you'll notice, just like any other object, I can select it, I can resize it, I can rotate it as I want. But in this case, I'm going to get it to the size that I want, and then I'm going to lock it. I do that by selecting the attribute, using the down arrow, and inside there, selecting lock. And so now, while I can zoom in and out, I'm really zooming in and out on the whiteboard itself. I can't actually move the object. So this is great when you're looking to use that base object over and over again in the cases we are now. So I'm going to drop a play. And maybe we have some manipulatives that we have in here. And when we go to erase it, I'm going to select my lasso. I'm going to select all of that. Oh, select all of it. And delete. Same goes for this object. But you'll notice I can't actually select the entire image that I have because I've locked this down. Now this is probably more evident when we actually want to lock down ink. So again, I'm going to drop another play here. And this piece is always going to be constant. So I want to make sure that we lock this section down. So I'm going to select the objects that I want, select lock, and now I'm going to draw the rest of the play. And in this case, I now want to erase it all, so I'm going to take this out, and you'll notice I can't erase the ink that I've put up top here. Same thing with the lasso. If we wanted to put in another player or two in here, when I go to select it, it only selects the objects that are unlocked. Then I can delete them. Now we can unlock these images. Let's say I want to get rid of this guy. I can select the locked image. I can press the down arrow, select unlock, and now that object can be deleted as well. Now the second feature that I want to show you is our undo and redo feature. So again, we're going to drop a play. But if we didn't like that, on the other side over here, you'll notice we have the back arrow to remove it and the redo arrow. And this will give us undo multiple times. And again, redo multiple times. The next feature we have is additional page backgrounds. So let's go in, create a new blank page, and you'll notice at the bottom, we have a number of different options. We have notion of brick wall, a few additional grid paper styles, in addition to our dots, and various other ruled applications in there. Finally, we've introduced the concept of being able to delete a page. So if we go to our page layout that we have here, the three dots on the side actually allow me to select them and delete the page itself. And those are the new features that are coming out in our whiteboard for IQ 3.7. Thanks.